Hello folks, hope you're all fine. In this video I'm working with the anchor link, anchor menu, and how to add them on your navigation menu. Anchor, if you talk about the anchor link, an anchor menu, that's simply an on-page link. When you link in a specific section to a button, to a specific element. Let me scroll down. By the way, there is another video about how to create this sticky header with Elementor. I just link it in the description and also on the top right, it will be there. Let me go to services page. There I have some anchor links. Alright, let me scroll down and you can see that here I have some services. When I click on any of them, it will redirect me to that specific section. For example, cybersecurity and firewall. Let me click on that. You can see it will redirect me to that specific section on that page. Furthermore, you can see that I have added those anchor links to my primary menu as well. Let me go to services and IT and cloud service. You can see it will redirect me to that specific section. Okay, so we have already added 3 main services here plus a tutorial, and there is another service that I didn't add yet, so we are gonna add it together and for the purpose of this tutorial. For example, this one, there is a section called Forex and investment. Now we need to add this one to this. First we need to create an anchor link, then we need to add that one as a custom link to our primary menu right here below cybersecurity and firewall. Here I'm using the Elementor page builder. It's simply the same for all the other page builders also. Firstly, let me go to backend, open it in a new window, this one, and let's edit this one with Elementor. Alright, let me scroll down to that specific section, which is yes, Forex and investment. There are 2 ways to add an anchor link. The first one is just you can click on that specific section or element and go to advanced setting, and in here you type a CSS ID. For example, in this case, since it is Forex and investment, I just type the CSS ID FX and click update. There is an alternative way. There is a specific element called anchor. You can add that one to that specific section, for example right here, and you type the ID, for example FX. So we don't need this element here. I just prefer the first way, which I added the CSS ID right here. Click update. Now let's go to website backend. Let me navigate to appearance and menu. Okay, this is our primary menu, and you can see we have this is our services page, and these are the sub menus we have created. Okay, we need to create a new link. So this is not a post, this is not a page, this is just a custom link. Let me click on custom link. Okay, focus, this part is important. In here, in the URL, type / and the name of that specific page. The name of that page is services, and then type hash, and then the name of the CSS ID of that section, which was FX. Okay, what will happen that when you click on that specific link, then it will first redirect to that specific page, and then it will direct to that section. So no matter the viewer, the visitor is on which page, whether home page, contact page, or any other page, when he or she clicks on that link, it will redirect to that specific section. Here it is, the link text, just I type it Forex and investment. Okay, add to menu. And now let me drag and drop and put it right below the cybersecurity. Alright, click save menu. Now let's go to the front end and see the changes. Okay, now I'm at the home page. Now I navigate through the menu Forex and investment. Let me click on that. Yes, you can see that I'm directed to that specific section of the page. Yes, that's all, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. If there's any issue, any problem, or any suggestion or objection, just comment below. And thank you. Have a good time. Bye bye.